Hey guys, so if you want to bypass the admin download restrictions and you want to know how you can do it, first and foremost, this is the first thing that I want to share with you, that be warned, and also that in modern enterprise corporate workplaces, your computer will have end user experience monitoring agents installed as part of device management practices. The admins will know if you install or even just use software not authorized for the enterprise environment. In many workplaces, this can lead to disciplinary action. So this was also with me when I was like working for the corporate. There was like literally tracking every single move that I did on the computer for the safety reason. So this is something that when you want to bypass it, you have to be aware of it, all right? Now you can then download Account Boot. It is a boot utility that bypasses the admin password. So you could add a second admin account or simply change the password to make it accessible. It works just fine with XP, Windows 11, including linked accounts. So this is something that you want to check out. And you need to get it on the USB and then just like plug it into the computer. This is it.